Current transformers produce an output in proportion to the current flowing through the primary winding as a result of a constant potential on the primary. Current transformer CT is a type of instrument transformer that is designed to produce an alternating current in its secondary winding which is proportional to the current being measured in its primary. Current transformers reduce high-voltage currents to a much lower value and provide a convenient way of safely monitoring the actual electrical current flowing in an AC transmission line using a standard ammeter. The principle of operation of a basic current transformer is slightly different from that of an ordinary voltage transformer. Current transformers can reduce or step down current levels from thousands of amperes down to a standard output of a known ratio to either 5 amps or 1 amp for normal operation. Thus, small and accurate instruments and control devices can be used with CTs because they are insulated away from any high voltage power lines. There are a variety of metering applications and uses for current transformers, such as with watt meters, power factor meters, watt-hour meters, protective relays, or as trip coils in magnetic circuit breakers or MCBs. So, for example, a current transformer with a relationship of, say, 300/5A can be converted to another of 150/5A or even 100/5A by passing the main primary conductor through its interior window 2 or 3 times as shown. This allows a higher value current transformer to provide the maximum output current for the ammeter when used on smaller primary current lines.